So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix an error occur while unpacking archive corrupted. Unarc.dll return on error code 7 or code 11 or any code that you can get from this error. For example, this is because of archive data corrupted when you're installing application. Usually when you're installing a cracked or downloaded game that you download for free from a illegal sources. So usually the free game that's a cracked or like repack or something like that. So you can get this error frequently. So this is because of your processor or your RAM a have a lot of to work. Like if your processor is getting tired because it's overproduced, overwork. So to fix this, you have to add your processor some power. If you have a 4 cores processor, you can do it by a Windows run, and you can type msconfig, click OK, and you can go to the boot option, advanced boot, and number of processor should be 4. Click OK, apply, and restart your computer. So now you can try again installing your game. After you finish install your game, you can go back to the msconfig. Just type Windows, hold Windows key and R to launch Windows Run. Go to the msconfig, boot, advanced option, and get back to the by default like this. Okay, apply and okay. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you.